The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Guadalupe County, Central Gonzales County, until 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Palmetto State Park, or 11 miles southwest of Luling, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gonzales, Palmetto State Park, Little New York, Oak Forest, Autine, Hammond, Belmont, Cost, Monfalia, and U South. Highway 90 alternate. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Austin, San Antonio. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
No dirt.
Remember,
There's only
if you
like
can hear
5
thunder,
up.
you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Who gets struck by lightning?
Happens.
Like 5 people.
This is NOAA Weather Radio.